A year ago, my wife and I started a small audio production company, and this is what a typical gig looks like for us. It's small stuff and it's not flashy, but we enjoy doing it. So watch us as we deal with stage issues, set up our PA system, and hopefully end on a good note. So we have a stage, a Strata stage. This will be fine for us. Now we need to look for power. 20 amp. One. All right, cool. So we have a stage and we have power. Now we're gonna move all of our stuff in here. Oh, I don't know about that. I'll have to ask her. So are we doing the bubble machine or something?
Well, we got them, just 2 of them, and I don't even know how or where to put them. Denise just was like,
Yeah,
2 bubbles.
that's not my department, so. I can run power for them if they just want them right there. And
that's perfect.
Whatever. I don't know where they're gonna.
Just on either side.
Okay. I wish this would open. That would be tight. You think we should ask? Like if it's possible? I want to see if it's possible to open this big garage door we have right behind us, because that would make things much easier. So we just got our partition installed, so we're a lot safer, and we really didn't lose any space at all when we did it, so it's pretty awesome. Yeah. Yes. All right, y'all close it when I'm done. All right, thank you. Yay. I locked it. Woo! That's not gonna stay put. Yeah, it might on this road. Yeah. Oh yeah, I always forget the speaker stands. Thing is hard to control. All right, now I'm gonna actually move the car. Like a glove. I am, yes. Good to see you guys. Connor, nice to meet you. All right. Are you asking me? It looks pretty heavy. I don't know how they got it here.
Yeah, no, it's not.
I think we're stuck with it where it is.
We really need it back.
I can't move it. No. I guess I'll start. Okay, did they say how long they would be? I can start setting up and getting stuff ready. It always seems like it falls like, why did you do this? I'm like, I didn't do this. Nothing to do with that stage.
I think everyone knows that.
Oh, you think so?
Yeah.
Okay. We're kind of at a stall right now because the stage is in the wrong spot, apparently. Not quite sure what to do. As far as setup is concerned, it's hard to make any decisions when everything's moving. All right, I don't really know how they're gonna move this.
I would imagine it's maybe forklift or something.
No, I hope not.
Because it's metal.
Yeah, I'm just a little unsure what to do. I don't have my stupid knife.
This is the smartest thing I've
Somebody's gonna think it's stupid. but yeah. Got Charlie's pad. Charlie's Vox. David's Vox. Charlie's Vox. Acoustic guitar for David. David after dentist. And then Charlie's electric guitar. Bing bong. So I guess I'm just kind of setting up the stage a tad.
you know?
Yeah. This is why we label things, because you never know what's going to happen. Try to do this so we can move it out of the way when they move the stage if we have to. We're just going to plug it in. Give this a try.
I guess you've got everything set up that you can right now.
Yeah, for the most part, yeah.
Now.
It's right here.
Yeah.
All right.
Against this or a few inches?
Yeah, so absolutely. I'm just need to unplug this. Is any of this stuff gonna bother y'all that's on here? Okay.
No. So, undo it. Yeah, we're gonna have to undo it. So yeah, we're gonna have to get everything off to move it back.
Okay.
It's heavy.
Yeah, I know it, yeah. It was gonna take me a second to get all this off, guys.
I think Jojo was right. One, two.
Should I leave it?
Yeah, you can. We're gonna just try to slide it the whole way.
So why the fuck did I take everything off? What kind of stage is this?
Is that what is that okay with you?
That'll work, yeah. Yeah, that's okay. All right. Take 2.
You guys are always so good to work with. We just show up and it's just done.
You guys are fun to work with too, because it's like 4 inputs. It's nice.
It's pretty simple.
Yeah, it's pretty great.
Y'all's gear is so good.
Oh, we love it.
I love that wireless EQ, isn't it?
Yeah, it's nice, isn't it? I can hear from out front. You got it in your ears? What's your hottest signal that you got?
Say again?
What's your hottest signal that you got on the guitar? That's it? Okay.
No, I got maybe like a...
Yeah.
My head don't stay on the same name too long. My vocals down. Same old song. The highway is all we know. All we know.
So, what did I learn on this gig? I guess that I could set up a small PA twice in a very short time frame. And also, don't use whatever the f this stage was. Look, nothing bad happened. Except the floor got scratched a little bit, but I'm not gonna take the blame for that one. It wasn't me. And there's video evidence to prove it. Listen, there was bubbles, people had fun, the band had a good time. It sounds like a good gig to me. Quite a few of you guys have asked me how I get clients, and beyond word of mouth, Google Ads, and YouTube, I really don't have a great answer. But what I can tell you is that I don't go after big, flashy jobs. I try to find people who respect me and what I do. And I know it's corny to say, but no gig is really too small. Because if the client foots the bill that you've quoted them, and they're easy to work with, and y'all get along, that's a good gig. So f***ing take it. I think we're done.
All right.
Later.